Hi guys, today we are going to be making a reptile that lives at the zoo. It starts with an S. It slithers on the ground, in the grass, it's scary, and it has large fangs. It's a snake. Okay, what you're going to need for your snake is 2 sheets of paper. Does not have to be solid, they can be notebook sheets of paper. You need a pencil, you need scissors, you need glue, crayons, and your parents' help or anybody that can help you. What you're going to do first is you're going to take 1 sheet of paper and you are going to fold it in half, but make sure that you are folding it hot dog style. Then you're going to fold it again so each corner meets the top corner. This is what you might need your parents' help with, so just so that it's straight. You're going to crease it down the middle. After that, you have a large rectangle. You're going to you're going to fold it into half. Okay, then you're going to open it up and, oh, look, let's see how many parts we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What you're going to need and what will help you later is you're going to take your pencil and you are going to trace along the creases. So where we folded, you're going to carefully trace those creases because later when we make our snake, we need our parts to be equal. Start on the top, go as straight as you can all the way down, making a straight line. On the top and go all the way down. And then the last one is you're going to go right in the middle where that crease was and you're going to go straight across. That's not a straight line, but I think it's okay. After this, you are going to color. So let's count how many parts that we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, half of your paper is going to be one color and half of your other side is going to be another color. So 4 will be one color and 4 will be another color. My colors are orange and green. To speed things up, I already colored my parts. So I have 4 green, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I have 4 orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I have already traced my line. So I'm ready to cut. I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut in half, the paper in half. So now I had whole and now I have 2 parts. I have an orange part and I have a green part. But on the lines I'm going to cut. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 orange parts. And 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 green parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to make a pattern with our papers, with our rectangles. Okay, so we're just going to scramble them up. I'm going to start my pattern with orange, and then green. What would come next? Orange, and then green. Does everyone see my pattern? Orange, green, orange, green. So my pattern is orange, green, orange, green, orange, green, orange, green, orange, green. And your colors do not have to be orange green. They can be any color that you like. You can even add in a third color if you'd like. What you're going to do next is you're going to take, so you have your pattern ready. You're going to take 1 rectangle, the first one that you started off your pattern with. You're going to fold your rectangle in half, just like we did before when we made our rectangles, okay? Then you are going to grab your glue, 1 dot, just a boop. And you are going to take it and you're going to wrap it around and you're going to make a circle. Does everyone see that? You're going to continue this pattern get my green because green comes next to my pattern. I'm going to do the same thing. Whoop. Oop, I messed up. I'm going to wrap my green into the orange. I'm going to press down. I'm going to hold down for probably about 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to grab my next rectangle, which is orange. Orange comes next in my pattern. I'm going to grab my glue, a dot. Oop. I'm going to make sure you're following your pattern. You don't want to connect it to the orange. Orange to orange, it's green, orange. I'm going to wrap it around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fold it in half again. Dot of glue. Make sure you only use a dot because if you use too much glue, you might make a mess. So let's make sure our pattern is looking good. We have orange, green, orange, green. What color comes next? Orange. Same thing. Fold it in half. Dot of glue. Make sure I'm grabbing my green. Holding it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next color is green. Folding it in half. Dot of glue. Bringing it inside the circle. Counting to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next color is orange. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last color is green. Dot of glue. Bringing it in. Let's look at our pattern. Let's count how many circles we have. Looks like a chain. We have orange, green, orange, green, orange, green, orange, green. What color would come next? Orange. Okay, so now we have our snake's body. What we're going to do next is with our other sheet of paper, I'm going to draw a triangle. So start at the top. Triangle has 3 sides. Go down, draw a line. I'm going to go across. I'm going to go back to the top and I'm going to draw a straight line connecting. And we have 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to cut my triangle. This is going to be my snake's face. I'm going to color it really quick. Not doing a good job at coloring. And after I color it, I'm going to grab my black crayon and I'm going to draw the eyes. So your triangle, you're gonna, in the middle of your triangle, you're gonna draw 2 circles. One circle is larger than the other. For my snake, I'm making him look a little silly. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to glue my snake's head to my chain, or his body. I'm going to draw a rectangle next. Just about that size, not too big, not too small. Okay. I have my rectangle. I'm going to color my snake's tongue red. It's like a red pink. It's not red. Kind of hard to color. I suggest coloring before you cutting. That would make it easier. Then you're going to put a dot of glue on one of the ends, and then you are going to put it right on the bottom of the triangle. This is the snake's tongue. So now you have a snake. Bye guys.